Hello, Assalamualaikum. I am Angela Komal and I am here to bring my new topic pronoun part 2. In my previous video, we discussed about some types of pronoun. Now I am going to start my today topic which is related to another parts of pronoun. So number one is reflexive pronoun. What is a reflexive pronoun? Reflexive pronoun is that which reflect back to the subject of sentence. Means if we have one subject and we are talking about something, so therefore we use that word which directly reflect uh, which discuss about and give us some knowledge about subject. For example, is that she can take decision herself. Here, herself is reflexive pronoun. Subject is she. So therefore, we are using herself because we are talking about the subject she. So herself is directly reflect to the subject. Therefore, reflexive pronoun is here herself. Okay. Second one example is you should go to take party dress yourself. Now here we are talking about something you. Okay. You. So therefore here we are using yourself which is directly tells us something about subject. I will go for an interview myself. Here I am talking about I will go. I am going for an interview myself. So therefore here we use myself. Myself is directly related to the subject. So therefore it's a reflexive pronoun. So reflexive pronoun is a myself, herself, himself. We use for he or some boy. So that time we use himself. Itself we use when we have in the place of subject it, and myself or we use I. So in this way we can use all these reflexive pronoun. Okay. Now second one is indefinite pronoun. What is the meaning of indefinite pronoun? Indefinite pronoun is that is not sure and definite. Means when we are not sure about someone, something or some place, that time we use that kind of pronoun. For example, is that everyone wants to go abroad. Okay. Here subject is, here is a we use everyone. Okay. Everyone means we don't know about the person. Okay, which one person, who is the person. Okay. So here we use everyone because we are not sure about one person. Okay. Now second one is she is thinking to go anywhere for picnic. Okay. Now she is thinking about to go anywhere means she don't know about one particular place. Okay. She is only she is thinking about to go for picnic, but when she wants to go, she don't know. Okay. So she is not sure about place, therefore here we are using anywhere. Okay. Ahmad is still waiting to for someone. Okay. Ahmad is waiting for one personality, but here is not showing which one personality he is waiting for. Okay. So therefore here we use someone. So when we don't know about some person, some place or something, that time we use that kind of pronoun. Okay. So these are all we call indefinite pronoun. Okay. Here are some indefinite pronouns: anybody, everybody, somebody, nobody, each, either, neither, everything, everyone, someone. uh, Now you know that when we don't know about the some particular person, place or thing, that time we use these indefinite pronouns. Okay. Now next one is demonstrative pronoun. Okay. Demonstrative pronoun is point something specific in the sentence. Here is a one in one sentence, and one word is point to some specific individual thing or person. Okay. So that time we can say these are demonstrative pronoun. Okay. So which one word we can use as a demonstrative pronoun? This, that, these, those. Okay. These four words we can use as a demonstrative pronoun. Okay. Now example. this. Where we use this? This we use for singular and that thing which is near from us. Okay. For example, is that this is my book. Okay. Now we are pointed to something. This is my book. Okay. If used for singular, if we have one thing. Okay. That time we use, and this thing is near from us, so that time we use this is my book. And that we use for that time when we have singular and this thing is far from us, that time we say like that, that is your chair. If one chair is far from you, okay, and there is only one chair, there is only one book, okay, that time you say this is your chair, this is your book. Okay, these words are indicate to something, showing something, maybe it's far from you or it's near from you. Okay, now third one is this. Use for plurals and that thing which is near from us. Okay, for example, these are his dresses. Now these we use for plurals when we have something in plurals, when we have something is more quantity. Okay, if we have many dresses, that time we say these are his dresses, these are your dresses, these are mine dresses, like this. Okay, and those we use for plurals and that things which is far from us. For example, is that those are our copies. When we have something far from us and it is in a quantity. Okay, we have something in, for example, is that if we have 5 pencil, we have 10 dresses, we have 12 apples. Okay, that time we use those and we say those are my apple. Okay, those are my apples, these like thing. Okay, and same thing is near from me, so therefore we that time we use these are mine. Okay, these are yours dresses, like this. Okay, so now here we can say that this, that, these and those, how we use as a demonstrative pronoun. Okay, now interrogative pronoun. Okay, what is the interrogative? It is used to ask question. Okay, we know interrogative. Interrogative we always use to ask something, we use in a questions. So interrogative pronoun is like that when we use to ask question. Okay, for example, let's say we can use what, which, who, whom, whose. Now how we use this? Okay, now sentence example is that what do you want for breakfast? Whose pencil is this? Which dress do you prefer to wear for party? Here what, whose, which we use interrogative pronoun. Okay, because we are using these words to ask question. Whose pencil is this? Which dress do you prefer to wear for party? Now these words is related to ask something. Ask something about noun. Okay, when we want to ask something about noun, so that time we use these questions word. So therefore we can say that it's a interrogative pronoun. Okay, now thank you so much. Now pronoun we discuss, and now I think it's understandable. And if you like my video, so press like button and always subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.